Alright, so the reason why you guys see me in the same outfit is because I filmed everything in one day. So I split my videos up. The first one was my ball cap method. As you can see, I did a ball cap method. If you want to know how I achieved this look, go and watch my video. Watch till the end. I'll leave a link for you to click on that and watch. But do not continue watching without clicking and subscribe to my channel. So now I am going to apply my wig. I'll put a picture right here of this hairstyle that I did. I really like it. It was cute. It was cute little French braids. And I made this wig. If you guys want to know how I make wigs, just comment down below and let me know if you want to see a video of me making wigs. Show you guys step by step. But I did make this wig. I'll leave pictures right here so you guys can see how the hair looks. So I did purchase some bold hole glue as well, and I'm gonna show you guys how I apply my wig. It's very easy, very beginner friendly. So you just want to use a glue. I will leave the link in the description for this glue. Like I said, this video is not in any way, shape, or form sponsored, but I'm just telling you guys how I use or what products I use. So bold hold is really good, but if you have like the Ghost Bond or something else, that works too. I love Ghost Bond. Me personally love Ghost Bond, but I am using the bold hold today. I already know how far I want it to go on my head. So that is the reason why I did not put it on first, because I already know how far I want it on my head. But yeah, just gonna show you guys. So this is what it's looking like. And I repeat, please do not apply the glue to your hair if it is white like this. If you can physically see the white, do not apply. Very, very sticky. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my wig. Well, put my wig on right now. Here we go. We are off, honey. Yes. Yes, darling. Here we go. Yes. It is very easy to apply a wig. When I tell you, like, this is very, like, beginner friendly. And I'll show you guys how I make my wig. I did order some here, so I can make a wig for you guys. Just a couple more seconds to achieve that dry, well, that clear look that I'm looking for. All right, so there it is, guys. We just put it down. And then just for extra security, I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer again just to dry the entire thing. FYI, this hair is not a HD lace hair, so it's not transparent. And this is why I did the ball cap method, because I wanted to achieve that HD look. And I think I did. I am just brushing my, because I had plaits in it as I showed you guys. So I think this is the look I'm going to wear. I'm just going to apply some argan oil to it because it is a bit dry. Too dry. So I'm just going to put some argan oil in it. I'm just going to speed this up and make my baby hairs. It looks like this, guys. It's not moving. We are stuck, honey. We are stuck. Making my baby hairs with my Gorilla Snap, you guys. You can also use the Got To Be glue if you want, but I do not feel like waiting until this got to be dry, so I'm just going in with my Gorilla Snap and making my baby. And then I am using my comb, my hot comb, just going in. So yes, guys, I'm just gonna go off camera and show you guys the finished look, show you guys how it looks. But this is it. It is very easy to achieve this ball cap method. I'll leave a link, as I said, for you guys to watch how I did my stocking cap, well, ball cap method. And this is how I apply my wig, and this is how it is looking. I'll just go off camera and do my makeup and show you guys the finished look. I want to thank on so much. I'm gonna make it to the end of the video. I have so much more content coming, and I cannot wait for you guys to see what's going on. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below what you want to see on my channel. Do not be afraid to comment. Go ahead and comment down below. I want to hear what y'all got going on. And don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms: Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat at Yanesha with 4 A's, Pinterest also. My Snapchat is Loomis_Dimples1. So everything else is Yanesha with 4 A's at the end. Well, 4 A's at the end. Don't forget. See you guys until next time. Bye bye. Be safe. God bless. Mwah.